and welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica. So this video is going to be about my recent purchase of iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm going to unbox this with you guys, and also I'm going to tell a little about this. And I've been using iPhone 11, so it is an extreme upgrade for me, like from 11 to 14. So I'm going to show you all the first impressions about this phone. And without any delay, let's get into the video. But before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon before watching this video. And without any delay, let's get into the video. After the Apple event, we pre-ordered this iPhone. It took about 10 days to reach us. So it came to our apartment on day. We took it, and I also did the unboxing thing in the Instagram. So if you haven't seen my Instagram page yet, you can also check it. I'm leaving the link in the description. So it is already unboxed. See, I have a phone. I've been using it now, and also the charger wire. And the box is there, and you have this cute little gesture kind of thing from Apple. Guys, I have unboxed it and I've been using it. It's been 2 days now. I'm loving it, and I also got this pretty good iPhone case also. So we'll move to the next thing, that is camera. As I already said you, I've been using iPhone 11. I love the camera of iPhone 11 also, but then this is a extreme upgrade for me, and it is going to be 48 megapixel. And the main feature I love about this is the 3x zoom. It literally zooms everything, but then the clarity is not compromised at all. It's pretty good actually. I'm loving it. I'm going to use for all my makeup shots and all. It's going to be good. I'm also excited about the cinematic mode. I haven't used it yet, but in my upcoming trips I will be using it. I'm going to love that, I guess. So pretty much that's the thing about the camera. Since I've been upgraded from iPhone 11, it is quite exciting for me. I'm not sure about iPhone 13 users, but I'm very happy about the camera upgrade for me. The next feature which excites me about iPhone is eSIM. The eSIM concept is quite a cool feature. You can see there is no SIM tray in my phone. It's really cool to feel that there is no SIM in my phone, but then I've been calling and texting and all. If your phone has been stolen or if you misplaced, nobody can take it and change the SIM and all these things can not happen. So it is a quite safety feature, the eSIM thing. Currently this eSIM is available only for the US iPhone users. The activation of this eSIM was very simple. As soon as I switched on my phone, the number was already configured in it, so it was very easy for me to just enter the OTP and then activate my number in this phone. And when the number got activated in this phone, my previous phone, that is my iPhone 11, got deactivated. So it was a very quite easy procedure, this eSIM thing one. The only drawback about this eSIM is when you travel abroad, you have to carry a secondary phone with you, or you must pay some roaming charges because you don't have SIM tray here to just change your SIM there. So that is the only drawback. Other than that, this is a very cool feature. I hope it comes in all the phones. And the next thing I was so excited about this phone is the color of the phone. Yes guys, the color of the phone, I love it. I know this may sound silly for some of people, but then the color is very important for me because all my life I've been using white and black colored phones only. So I've been able to choose the color of this phone. I was expecting a lighter purple one, which is available in iPhone 14, but then in iPhone 14 Pro Max and Pro, you have this deep purple color only. One day when you see this phone in the sunlight, the deep purple is like quite obvious, but other than that, in the photos or in the room light, it is going to look somewhat like black only. But then it's different. I'm liking it, the color, and also the case which I use, it also complemented. So I'm loving it. Okay, let me talk about the next thing which really made me to buy this phone is the dynamic eyeliner. Ever since I saw this feature in the Apple event, I was very curious to see how that is going to work, and it's really good actually. Very cool feature. Whenever you charge the phone, something pops up there, the notification. Whenever I'm on WhatsApp call with my mom, I can see the dynamic island popping. It's really cool feature. Slowly I'm going to get used to it, and also I'm going to buy an AirPods to see the AirPod sign in the dynamic island. Let's see the next thing, which is quite new in this Apple iPhone Pro Max, that is always on screen display. About this always on screen display, I don't really feel like I've locked my phone only. Whenever I keep my phone somewhere and the display is always on, and it feels like I haven't locked my phone, so I'm getting used to it. I don't know about others, this didn't make any difference for me. And the other new feature in this iPhone 14 is this emergency SOS. During emergency situation, if you don't have a mobile network or Wi-Fi, you can just connect with the satellite network and then you can call people for help. The other important thing, I'm really loving it, which is very useful for me and for all the content creators, is going to be removing the background of the images you're going to click. This one is really a cool thing, guys, because I would pay for an app and then I will be removing backgrounds for my thumbnails and all, but then this is very easily doable in my iPhone, so it's going to be a great thing. It's very simple. You just touch it and then you can remove the background, and you can use it anywhere, Instagram stories, thumbnails, anywhere. So it's a very amazing feature for content creators, and I'm very happy about this purchase because all this thing which I have said, it excited me and I was very curious about it, and it turned out like how I imagined. So it's a very good purchase for me, and it's a very good upgrade for my content creation. I'm not a tech reviewer, so I just want to show you guys the first impression of this phone. So I hope I made it clear for you guys. I've not been traveling these days, but after this phone arrived, I'm going to plan a lot of trips, and there are going to be many travel vlogs in my channel awaiting for you guys. So please stay tuned. Also subscribe my channel, also hit the bell icon for more such videos. We'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies. Bye.